In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card to your Amazon account without having to place an order. Now, whether you're a frequent shopper or just someone who likes to have everything in place, this can be really handy. So let's get started. First, the initial step is to navigate to Amazon's website. You can do this on any web browser by typing in amazon.com. Once you're there, you'll notice the familiar homepage filled with recommendations and offers. Don't let that distract you. Instead, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find an option that says Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to enter your email address and password, so have those details ready. If you're not already signed in, feel free to pause the video while you do that. Now, once you're signed in, you'll need to return to the Amazon homepage. You can do this easily by clicking on the Amazon logo you'll find at the top left of the page. This takes you back to the starting point, and from here, you'll proceed to the next step. Back on the homepage, hover over the account and list section, which is still in that top right corner. A drop down menu will appear with several options, but we want to focus on the one labelled Your Payments. So go ahead and click on that. The Your Payments page is essentially your wallet on Amazon, showing all the payment methods you've used or are currently active. On this page, scroll down a bit until you spot the option that reads View All Transactions, Manage Payment Methods and Settings. Give that a click. This step takes you to a more detailed view of your payment settings and transactions, but our main focus here is adding a new card. Now, you should see a section called Add a Payment Method. Click on this option. A pop-up or new page will appear with several options, including adding a bank account or gift card, but for this specific tutorial we want to add a credit or debit card. So click on Add a Credit or Debit Card. You'll now be prompted to input the necessary details of your card. This includes your card number, the cardholder's name, and of course the expiration date. Make sure to enter everything accurately to avoid any future hassles. Once everything's filled out, there should be a Save or Confirm button. Press that and you're all set. Everything you need is now in place. Your credit card is successfully added to your Amazon account and ready for any future purchases you might decide to make. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out other tutorials for more helpful tips.